Yoruba Nation now. This is the stage that we are going to be using for the 3 days.
Now,
Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò wá ti ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni ẹ̀ ń wò yẹn. Àwọn àwòrán àwọn bàbá wa nílé.
ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ti kọ orúkọ yín, that is the registrar, please.
Àwọn lẹ̀ ń wò yẹn. Àwọn bàbá dáadáa tó jẹ́ pé tí
ẹ jọ̀ọ́ a fẹ́ kí gbogbo wa a fẹ́ ká wà lójú kan náà, a fẹ́ ká wà ní other area, a fẹ́ kí gbogbo wa ká wà lójú kan náà. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́
àwọn ààrẹ wa náà lè ń wò yẹn. Ààrẹ wa
ohun tí à ń sọ ni wípé a ò fẹ́ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà mọ́, torí pé a observe a lè ṣàkíyèsí wípé orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà lórí irọ́ ni, the president lórí irọ́, Lai Mohammed lórí irọ́, Tinubu Ojúyọbá lórí irọ́, gbogbo àwọn aláṣẹ àti olùdarí orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà lórí irọ́. We are tired of them.
Gbogbo ìfìlà tí Lai Mohammed dé kí ló kúnú ẹ̀.
Lórí irọ́. We are tired of them. We don't want Nigeria anymore. We say now that Nigeria has expired.
That's right.
It expired in 2014.
Amalgamation shows that 100 years we have right to divide and everybody can go on his own. And these have been headed in 2014. Ever since then, we discovered that everything in Nigeria is going wrong. These people, they killed our people.
You will be
They murdered, they slaughtered the Yoruba.
will be showing the world all the atrocities that this government has committed on this projection.
Years old daughter, kidnapped, raped, and killed. The kidnappers, they asked for the ransom. We don't want this country anymore. It's a bullshit.
Yes.
Nigeria is a cheat.
Shito.
Nigeria is a shithole. Nigeria is a bullshit. We don't want this country anymore. Now, we Yorubas, we stand here today and we call upon American government. We call upon the legislators. We call upon the Joe Biden, the good president of the United States of America. We call upon the United Nations that they should come up and rescue us from all this tyrant government. Buhari support Fulani to killing us. Buhari are behind
Share. We are just
Buhari is behind the Fulani that killing us. The president of Federal Republic of Nigeria, Muhammad Buhari, Lai Mohammed, Tinubu Ojúyọbá, they are all in support of the genocide that's going on in Nigeria.
Yes. Good one.
When a cow, if anyone kill a cow in Nigeria, you will be prosecuted. But if they kill us, they are not more than a parent. The lives of the animals is more important to the President Buhari than the lives of the citizen. We don't have the human rights in our country. In the country,
Share.
is not up to $5. In a country where there's no light, in a country where there's no human rights, in a country where there's no good roads, In a country where there's no education, imagine to train anybody in high institution is going to cost you a lot of money. Imagine when you graduate from the university or any college, you go back and be learning a tailoring, fashion designer, and hairman. We are tired of this. We don't want this government again. No human rights in that country. And once again, the government, they are the one that supply sophisticated weapon to the Fulani to kill us.
Yes. Everybody say yes.
And whenever you reported to the DSS, when you report to the government, you will be prosecuted.
Yes.
And the accuser will be released. Is that the government?
No.
Is that the government?
No.
Buhari is it the president?
No.
Lai Mohammed is it a good leader?
No.
We don't want them
Femi
anymore.
Adesina.
Femi Adesina. A liar, a saboteur, a dictator.
And also, all the leaders in Yoruba land that insist on this nation, they are not supporting this agitation.
They are betrayers.
They are betrayers. We don't want them. American government, we don't want them to bring the currency to this country anymore. We don't want them
Yes.
to come and banking with you anymore. We
Yes.
don't want them to come to here and stay again.
Yes.
We don't want you to grant them refugees again.
Yes.
We don't want you to give them the visa to come to this country anymore. We
Yes.
want you to retreat the passport from there.
Yes.
All the advantages and opportunities they have in this America, we want you to seize it from there.
Amen.
Those that have the passport among them, we want the American government to revoke it from there.
Yes.
They are the non-good leaders. We don't have leaders. What is the samples of the leaders? A leader, a good leaders care for the citizen. A good leaders being a good example. A good leader give the good orientation to the followers. A good leaders give a good sound education to the citizen. But what are they getting back from there? They are the liars. We are tired. We are tired. We are tired. We need Yoruba nation. American government, we call upon you today. We need our own independence. We need our self-determination. We need our self-determination. We are tired. What do we want?
Yoruba nation.
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 This tyrant government, they said it clearly that nobody can rescue us from death. This government, they believe they can do and go away with it. This government, they believe that they can do whatever they decide to do.
Nigeria.
They ban Twitter, they ban everything. Nobody have opportunity to leave. We want America to come and help us. We want the United Nations to help us. We want the United States of America to help us. We are dying. They rob our family. They kill our farmers. They rob our people. They kidnap us. They kill us like a goat. We need to know the nation. What do we want?
Yoruba nation.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Presi.